Good morning to all. Welcome back to our social science class. Today we will discuss about yet another important topic. Before going to our topic, let us recall certain points. Children, can you say which are the basic needs, basic necessities of our life? Which are the basic needs? All of you say? Yes, air, water, food, shelter, clothes, etc. Isn't it? Yes. So air, water, food, shelter, clothes, etc. So today we will select water. We will select water. So in our today's class we are going to start a new lesson from term to a textbook. Term to a textbook. Lesson 3, our water resources. Our water resources. Water is important for all the living things. Water is important for all the living beings. We cannot live without water. We cannot live without water. Then all of you say, what are the uses of water? Say. Yes, water is used for drinking, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils. Then, yes, watering plants. So farmers need water to grow crops. Of earth is covered by water than by land. That we already studied. So a large portion of earth is covered by water than by land. So a large amount of water on the earth is in seas and oceans. A large amount of water on the earth is in the seas and oceans. So what is the speciality of sea water? What is the speciality of sea water? Yes, salty taste. Salt, the presence of salt is there. So that water is not suitable for daily needs. Salt water cannot be used at homes or to grow plants and crops. That is not suitable for household things. So only a little amount of fresh water available. Only a little amount of clean water, fresh water is available. So rivers, ponds, lakes, snow and underground water are the sources of fresh water. So sources of fresh water, rivers, rain, ponds, lakes, snow and underground water are the sources of fresh water. Farmers are dependent on the rain for irrigating their field, cultivating their field. Farmers are depending on rains. Farmers are dependent on the rains for irrigating. India gets rain from June to September. India gets rain from June to September. And this rainfall is not uniform throughout the year. Some places it rains a lot and while some other places there will not be any rainfall. So we have to find a regular supply of water. So we need a regular supply of water. So in your last class, that means the previous year in 3rd standard, you already studied about lakes. Yes or no? Yes. Lakes are of 2 types. Lakes are of 2 types. Which are they? You already studied that. Yes, saltwater lake and freshwater lake. Saltwater lake and freshwater lake. So India has a few freshwater lake like Chembarambagam Lake, Dar Lake, Vular Lake. These are the freshwater lake. And Chennai gets its supply of drinking water from Chembarambagam Lake. And you already studied one freshwater lake in last year. Which is that? Yes, Lake Superior in North America. Lake Superior in North America. We already studied that freshwater lake. Then all of you say an example of saltwater lake. Say an example of saltwater lake. Yes, Sambar Lake in Rajasthan is an example of saltwater lake in India. Saltwater lake in India. So these are the two types of lakes. Which are they? Saltwater lake and a freshwater lake. Okay. River water is taken to the field through channels. These are called canals. River water is taken to the fields through channels. These are called canals. Next we are going to learn about dam. So a dam is a wall built across a river. Built across a river. You can see the picture. A dam is a wall built across a river to hold the water. Hold water. To hold the water, a wall is there. Where we build that wall? Yes, across a river. In this wall, special gates are made. In this wall, special gates are made. These gates are called sluice gate. These gates are called sluice gate. These gates are used to control the flow of water. What is the use of these gates? Yes, these gates are used for control the flow of water. Okay. Then behind the dam, a reservoir is made to store water. A reservoir is made to store water behind the dam. The reservoir is called an artificial lake. Reservoir is called an artificial lake. Reservoir is also called an artificial lake. Canals take water from these artificial water bodies to the fields. Then near the rivers and streams, they are taking water for irrigating with the help of dams and canals. So area near the rivers and streams, they were taking this water for irrigation with the help of dams and canals. Okay. So those who are living nearby the rivers and stream, they were taking the water from this dam and canals to irrigation. Okay. Next, agricultural field in northern plains. Agricultural field in northern plains, central India and coastal area have big dams. Where we can see the big dams and canals. Yes, agricultural field in northern plains, central part and coastal areas have big dams and canals. Then in Indira Gandhi Canal has turned part of Rajasthan into green zone. Indira Gandhi Canals has turned part of Rajasthan into green. Indira Gandhi Canal has turned part of Rajasthan into green zone. Okay. So in our today's class we studied about water. Water is very important for all the living beings. We can't live without water. We cannot live without water. Then we studied about the uses. We learned about the uses of water. Then we studied about the sources of water. We learned the sources of water. So once again, which are the uses? Say the uses of water. Yes, drinking, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, watering plants, etc. are the uses of water. Then all of you say the sources of water. Next, we studied about sources of water. So which are the sources of water? Yes, rivers, lakes, ponds, underground water. These are the sources of water. Next we studied about dam. Dam is a wall built across a river to hold water. Then we studied about sluice gate. Then reservoir is there. What is reservoir? Yes, behind it the dam, a reservoir is made to store water, and this reservoir is called as artificial lake. So in our today's class we studied about these many things. Next, in our next class we will study dams in detail. So I hope you understood the topic. We will see you in the next class. Thank you all.